The personal audio market has seen a prolific rise in popularity over the past few months as more and more of us grapple with work from home measures in the new norm. On this edition of Mashable Outreach, we have amongst us Mr. Mani Balam, Product Manager for Audio Category at Sony India, to talk to us about how the industry has coped up over the past few months and what is the road ahead. Welcome to the show, Mr. Mani. From a sales perspective, how do you think the past 3 months have panned out for Sony India and the consumer facing audio industry as a whole?
In the last 3 months, the first month of the quarter, like April, was a disaster. We had literally zero sales because entire country was under lockdown.
Yes.
So even the industry also suffered majorly. There was no sales for any of the brand or any kind of,
Yes.
except the essential items. All other product categories suffered a huge blow in April. Beginning of May, when the country started unlocking from 3rd of May onwards, slowly the sales started picking up. From 2nd of May, we immediately saw some kind of a huge jump in sales, especially when the online players were allowed to deliver their non-essential items into red zones and all zones except containment zone. So that's when we saw the real jump or spike in sales happening. So from 2nd of May, we started hitting a run rate which was better than what we had before COVID-19.
Okay.
So yeah, one thing that I would like to say here is overall, as of now, even offline has picked up, and offline is also coming back to what it was before COVID. But online really gained after this pandemic, and the contribution of online sales have gone up. One reason is that still some of the offline stores, like the stores which are in malls or stores which are in airports, they are still closed, or they're not seeing the business as it was before. People are not visiting such crowded places. So that's the reason that offline, although is recovering, but some benefit has been or advantage has been taken by the online channel. And it's not just the regular e-commerce players that I'm talking about. Even the offline retailers have started focusing on their online sales through their websites. So overall, it's been a big traction on e-commerce, both from the regular e-commerce players as well as from the offline retailers who started focusing on e-commerce now. The contribution of overall e-commerce has gone up, and the business has come back to what it was before COVID. And I believe everyone in the industry are now enjoying the sales post this COVID-19.
We recently witnessed Sony's official entry in the truly wireless space in India after a long break with the launch of two new offerings. Tell us more about what the company's thought process was while deciding the truly wireless products to launch first.
As I said, we were closely watching the market, truly wireless segment from last 2 years. And we have been watching the market outside India as well. So as I just said, in the United States, the market is more than 75% is contributed by truly wireless. So we knew that truly wireless is going to be a very big segment in India. But we took some time to enter with the right kind of products to Indian market because we were doing a lot of research with regards to what are the expectations of Indian consumers, what do they want in truly wireless, what kind of a price point, what features. So with all this research, finally we were able to come up with the right kind of a product for Indian market. So as I said, it might seem like we are a bit late, but for us, we strongly believe that the market in India is still in its early stages. Like the current contribution is about 20%, and in the next few years, we are expecting this contribution to go beyond 60%, which means the market is yet to explode from now onwards. And we are entering at a right phase wherein the market has just started to expand and is waiting to explode in a few months or in 1 or 2 years from now. So that's the reason that we launched right price point models for Indian market last week. We launched two new truly wireless models. One is XB700, which is priced at 9990, and another one is SP800, which is priced at 18990. So basically, the model that we priced at 9990, XB700, is our mass model, and we are expecting the model to drive huge volumes for us. And it comes with a lot of attractive and value for money feature for the price point that it is positioned at. It comes with extra base for all the base levels, and it comes with 18 hours of battery life, which is one of the highest. From the earbud alone, it offers 9 hours of battery, which today is the highest in the industry, because normally the truly wireless earbuds offers about 4 to 5 hours of battery life, but our product offers 9 hours from the earbud in a single charge. So that's almost double of what the industry standard is. Other than that, it is also splash proof, so customers or users can use it for their sports activities like gymming or walking. And it comes with stable Bluetooth connectivity and low latency. So all in all, it's a complete package at 9990. And in the last 1 week after its launch, we are witnessing phenomenal sales, and we are quite happy and excited about its performance. And we are all geared up for Diwali for this model. And the second model, like SP800N, it's a sports model, and it has everything that you want from a headphone. It has noise cancellation built in. It is waterproof and dust proof. It comes with 26 hours of battery life. It has touch sensors. It has quick attention mode, and it has artificial intelligence. So you name a feature that you want to have in your headphone, and SP800N has it. So in that sense, for those people who are looking for a very premium and very good sports model, SP800N is the right model for them. So with these two models in different price points at 9990 and 18990, we are expecting a strong entry into truly wireless market in the above 9,000 rupees price segment, and we are targeting a share of over 30% in this fiscal year.
We are aware that Sony does place itself as a premium legacy brand in the personal audio space, but given the popularity of truly wireless products in general, can we also expect to see a more truly wireless offering from the brand?
We are consumer-oriented brands, and we have been very closely connected with our consumers. Especially, we have millions of Sony fans in India. So we have been, studying the market very closely, and as of now, we introduced sub 10K price point product. And with regards to sub 5K, as of now, we don't have a plan. But at the same time, as I said, we study the market very closely, and basis the need of the market, we will come up with a product which is required by the market at appropriate time. So for now, we don't have any plans, but in future we may. So we might come up in the near future, but as of now we don't have any.
Tell us about some of the changes that Sony had to put in for its retail given the COVID-19 situation.
Once the unlock one started, we had a lot of internal discussions with management and the right stakeholders, and we started discussing, we discussed in depth about how do we restart this offline business, because people have that fear of coming to offline stores because of this COVID-19. And we had to ensure utmost safety for the people who visit our stores, whether it is our brand shops like Sony Centers, or for any large format retail or small format retail for that matter. And also we have a lot of promoters who sell our products from offline stores. So we need to ensure utmost safety for them as well as for the customers. So we have taken a lot of precautionary measures with regards to our offline stores preparedness to handle customers and also to give them a safe shopping environment. So all our promoters use masks. They use Arogya Setu app, none of our store staff are allowed inside the stores without the app. And after checking that they are safe, and the app says that you're safe, only then they are allowed inside the stores. And inside the stores, everyone uses masks. They use sanitizers. They continuously sanitize the products, and whatever products that comes into the stores, before that it is sanitized in Sony's warehouse, and only then it is sent across to the retailer's warehouse. And in retailer's warehouse too, before it is inwarded to their storage space, it is again sanitized, and before it is sent to customer's house, it is sanitized again. And at our service centers, like Sony service centers, every kind of precautionary measures have been taken, like sanitization of the product, sanitization of the entire workspace. And also, since our products like TV and home audio systems like sound bars and all involve home installation, so people from Sony would be going to customers' place, which again is very sensitive topic at the current scenario. So we have ensured that the people use all the safety gears. So all in all, so we have been giving a very safe shopping environment for customers, as well as safe installation at customers' place for the consumers. So thanks to all this, people are now feeling very safe with Sony, and overall we have been able to recover our offline sales as well, thanks to all these precautionary measures that we have taken.
So the numbers in the footfall in the stores are rising.
Yeah, it's getting better, but it has still not come to the level which we used to have previously. But one changing point now is customers, whoever is coming to the store, they are coming with a very strong purchase intent. So unlike before, wherein customers used to come, they used to inquire about the product and they used to go back. And after such 3-4 visits, customers used to make a purchase decision. But as of now, customers come to the store and they purchase the product. They don't even bother to go to the next store and bargain for the price. So lot has changed in terms of consumer purchase behavior. They're spending less time in the stores, and most likely they are coming to the stores to purchase the product. So that's been one thing. Yes.
Are you a truly wireless headphones person, or a wired or a wireless headphones person?
I use all three of them depending on the usage scenario. When I'm traveling, I use wireless headphones, the overhead one, the noise cancellation one, my favorite 1000X M3. And as of now, for my regular evening walks or morning walks, I use my latest fully wireless headphone, WF-XB 700. So that's been my latest fitness companion. And when I'm at home, working from home, sometimes I use a wired earphone because I find it convenient. I don't want to use wireless always. So sometimes I use the wired earphones and for travel noise cancellation headphones, and for my sports or fitness activities I use fully wireless. So I have all the three form factors of headphone.
Thank you so much for your time. This has been great chatting with you.
Thank you, Konak. Thank you so much.